Hello students, today in this session of social we are going to continue with the chapter number 1, that is socio-religious reforms. As in the previous class, that is yesterday, I have sent you about socio-religious reforms and I have explained you about reformers, that is Raja Ram Mohan Roy, then yes, Dayanand Saraswati, Ramakrishna Paramhans. Now today we are going to talk about the great reformer of that period was Swami Vivekananda. Still many quotes you know about him. Yes or no? Yes, he has given many quotes as he was so much into social service. Social service, you know, that is only the socio-religious reforms. That is only the reforms, right? So he was too much into that. Right, now he was from the Bengali, he was a Bengali graduate, right? It means from Calcutta, right? Now his real name was Narendra Nath Dutt. What was the real name? Narendra Nath Dutt. As he was the disciple, you know now what is disciple? Shishya, Chela, right? He was the disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhans. Who was the disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhans, right? So that is why he already studied about Ramakrishna Paramhans, that he was a sannyasi, right? So even Swami Vivekananda became a sannyasi, and then he achieved the name that is Swami Vivekananda, right? After becoming a sannyasi, he achieved the name Swami Vivekananda. Now his main motto of social service was serve poor people. Look in God in the poor people, right? We used to worship God and we used to disrespect poor people. Is it good? No, we need to, according to him, we need to serve the poor people. We need to look for God in needy. We need to help the people who are in need, right? Of course, that is the great humanity. Right, so we need to serve the poor people, we need to help the needy people, then we can easily go to the path of God, right, whatever we say, right. So that is what his main motto, right, his main aim. Now he was focusing more on Indian youngsters because he knows that the youngsters, the young generation are the future of our country. Of course, yes or no, you people are the future of country. You people are going to run the country after that according to your level of thinking, right? So he tried to engage more and more young people in his service, and even more and more young people joined it because his sayings, his motivational speech was very powerful. Yes, you know that, right? So it was very powerful. So more and more youngsters were joining the sayings or joining the sessions of Swami Vivekananda, right? Other than that, he used to give influential speech. You know what is influential speech? Yes, motivational speech that gives you motivation, right? So he was very good at that. So he used to give that. Other than that, he has given a famous thought, that is arise, awake and stop not still, goal is achieved. It means you have to remain awake, you have to arise. Arise means uthna, utho, work hard to achieve something. If you have goal, if you have aim in your mind, if you have objective in your mind, that I want to do this in future, I want to become this in future, you have to work hard until your goal is achieved. But after your goal is achieved, it's nothing like that you will behave like, I have achieved it, now I'll not do anything. No, you need to work hard and you need to keep on doing that, right? So this was the famous thought given by Swami Vivekananda. Now he established Ramakrishna mission, as Ramakrishna Paramhans was his guru, so he started the mission in the name of his guru, that is Ramakrishna. Okay, so Ramakrishna mission in Kolkata in 1897. Okay, so what he established? Ramakrishna Right. Now this mission was all about mankind. Mankind means to teach the people about humanity. To teach the people to service to man is service to God. It means if you will serve man, if you will help your friends, if you will help the needy people, it means you are helping God. You are serving God. Right? So that is the main service. You have to serve people first, then God. Because if you will do good, of course good will come to you. Right? So that is why he said that service to man is service to God. Many people used to pray and used to do many things, but are rude with poor people or needy people. It is of no use. God will not be happy. Right? Because service to man is service to God. And this is actually reality. Even I believe this. That if I'll pray, that doesn't matter. God will not listen to me if on the other hand I am doing something bad. Right? Even God is having this profit and loss system. If I'll do good, it will go in the profit. If I'll do bad, it will go in my loss account. So we have to balance it. Right? So that is why service to man is service to God. This is about Swami Vivekanand. After that, many communities started such services like Muslim community, Sikh community, Parsi community. So we are going to learn about all this community. Now, Reformation movement in the Muslim community. Now, as Muslim community, that community was quite orthodox community, right? That was quite orthodox community. So it was very necessary to implement Western culture or education in them, right? So that is why the main leader, that is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, right? What is the name? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Okay, he took the initiative to educate more and more people in the Muslim community. Why? So that even the Muslim people will not be like, even they will stand strong in front of others. Even they get more and more knowledge like others. Right? So he established what? He established the Muslim community. After that, even Sikh community. Now Sikh community, you know what is Sikh community? Sikh people used to join together and work, right? Especially they used to do the social work in the Gurudwaras. You know now what is Gurudwaras? Yes. Right? Till now, seriously I am saying, I means have heard a lot of things about them that they used to. Have you heard about Golden Temple? Yes. Right? They used to give free meals to lakhs of people. That is what service only, right? Right? So Sikh community, they used to work for Gurudwaras, and from that they used to do the social work. Not only for, we can say not only for men, even to the animals. They used to feed the animals as well. I have seen that. Okay, so not only men, but they are good to animals as well. So they have established Sikh community. One name is given for that, Gurudwara Prandak Committee. What is the name? Gurudwara Prandak Committee. Now they have even started English education and established college in Amritsar. Why they have established college? So that people get aware about the Western culture and people get aware or get updated for the work. Okay, so that is Sikh community. After that, Parsi community. In Parsi community, the main leader was Dadabhai Navroji, right? Dadabhai Navroji was the main leader. Now you know that Parsi community are very less in right, very less, right, in amount if we compare to other communities. But then also they do lots of social work, right? So they have established these communities, different communities for social work of their particular community and for others as well, right? Even he established many things, right? For example, the sabha, he has started the sabha, right? And that was known as Rasta Goftar. What it was known as? Then many Parsis like K.R. Kama and other Parsis, they were joined to this. Now in reality also, we feel that Parsi community is less, but then also the main people are Parsis. Have you heard about Tata, Ratan Tata? Have you heard about the person who has invented our vaccine? Who has invented? Who has Poonawala? Have you heard about it? Okay, fine. So they are Parsis. So it's not like that if you're right what I am saying, right? So they have established this community for social work, right? For social religious work. Now we will talk Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule was a great reformer from Maharashtra. Where he belongs to? Maharashtra. Right? So as he belongs to Maharashtra, he did many reforms in Maharashtra, right, in that particular area, right? He opened schools for girls in Pune, where he opened schools for girls, especially for girls, right, in Pune, and he encouraged widow remarriage. You know now what is widow remarriage? They motivated widows to remarry again with another person, right? So that they are not, of course, if in ancient time their life is spoiled if they are widow, right? So they encourage widow remarriage, and he started Satya Sodak Samaj. He started this to build good confidence in people, to encourage people to do the social service. Okay, so this is about Jyotiba Phule. In only this much you have to remember about him. Now, Thakkar Baba. Thakkar Baba's real name was Amritlal Thakkar. Now Amritlal Thakkar was born in 1869 in Bhavnagar city. Where he was born? That is in which state? Gujarat. Right? So he was from Bhavnagar. Now Panchmahal Bhil Seva Mandal. You have to remember this word carefully. Bhil. Bhils are the people who are Adivasis. You know, Bhils, right? So that people, they do not have any work to do. In the ancient time, they used to drink and you don't do any work, right? So he started the Panchmahal Bhil Seva Mandal, and he started educating them, and he started giving them work. He started making them busy in work, right? So that is what Panchmahal Bhil Seva Mandals. He used to focus more on Bhils people, and he wanted to remove untouchability, right? Untouchability means पहले ऐसा बहुत होता था, जाति पात, right? So to remove that untouchability, what they started this Seva Mandal. Of course, that all are equal. And still, why people don't understand that all are equal? Why people used to do this casteism and all? I don't understand. So all are equal. He taught this, and he engaged them for giving more and more work. Bhils are different, Harijans are different, right? Got it? Don't get confused between this. These are the normal people. It is a particular tribe. Tribe means community. जैसे हमारी अलग अलग communities होती है, right? So that is also one community. But people, there was in ancient time, there was a lot of partiality, right, with them. So he wanted to stop that. And Bhils are different. Bhils means Adivasis, right? Bhils are totally different. Okay, so he mostly focused on Bhil Seva Mandal. So this is about, we have learned about different reformers, that how socially and religiously they tried to change our nation, right? So this is all about socio-religious reforms. Reform means changes. Now in next session we are going to start with the writing part of this chapter. Till that, keep learning. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye and take